What is up, realists? Welcome to On the Real Fishing. Today we're getting out in the creek trying to see if we can't find any fish. Feels like fall has officially kicked its way in. Woke up to some nice 40-degree temperatures, so the breeze going on right now is a little bit chilly, so hopefully we'll get some active fish looking to feed up as they feel the temperature changing as well. So we're gonna start off with a swim bait, deal with our airplanes as we do here at this spot, and try to catch some fish. So hold on tight, let's go. There, got a couple fish here. Looks like some red horse just suspended out in the water. I did see some bass kind of swimming out there near the rock structure. There might be a bass down there with the red horse too. But as we normally do, yeah, there's one little bitty guy right there. A couple casts with this, if I can. A couple casts with the swim bait, and we'll move forward with the creature bait if this seems to not be what they're wanting today. We've had a lot of rain lately, or not, let me rephrase that. Haven't had a lot of rain lately. This water is relatively clear. The bottom side down here, see if anybody's hanging out. Let's get on some moving water. See what happens there. Well, most days I try to stay in the shade. Well, this chill in the air, I'm trying to stay in the sunshine. Changes up a little bit, but we're about 20 or 30 casts in at this point with no bites yet. I want to get all the way to the smallie hole and try the swim bait a couple times, but we won't get any bites on it here soon. We'll switch over to the creature bait style. Alright, I'm going to switch it up to the creature bait. Not really any response to it. I had one follower up there by the bridge, but that's it. So, I'm going to switch it up and try something else. Creature bait has been activated. Okay, well, smallie hole said nope. Oh, we had something on there. Finally, our first fish hit it. We've had our first hit fish officially bite. So I don't know if we'll catch that one again. I didn't hook it. Just kind of was on there, so it might still be available for some bites. There we go. I think we finally got one. I was about to say in my head, I was like, if we're gonna find some, I think we'll be solid. They seem to be pretty active. And the few that I've seen running around, I just gotta find them. There we go. Found our first one finally. Right there in the shade. Well, a little bitty smallmouth there. Hanging out over there in the tree roots. Very cool. I wonder if this is one of the same ones that was chasing a minute ago. But thank you for biting, buddy. I'll throw it back over and see. Everybody else is hanging. Oh, probably not. Probably moved after their friend disappeared. There we go, we got a second one. Let's see if we can get it in over there in the shadows. once again. Oh, this one's got a derpy face. Little derpy face smallmouth there. Oh my goodness, look at this little top of his lip is smaller than his bottom. And there he is. All right, buddy, well thank you for biting. Fish number 2. Whether we got it or not, that's something. Whatever bit felt way bigger than this. Not a huge guy, but number 3 nonetheless. Nice little smallie. There we go. Another little smallmouth. Today, quick release. There we go. Puts us at 3. Alrighty. We're free to do whatever now. Free to move freely about the cabin. Not a bad one. Oh, bought myself in the forehead. Well, that was a decent one. Just didn't have a good enough hook set on it. There we go. Little bitty guy. Nothing huge. Looks like it might be a smallmouth again. There we go. Yep, little smallmouth. Number 4. Definitely not as big as that one we just caught. Or almost caught. But, ooh, speckledy boy. Speckledy boy. Sweet. Awesome. Another smallie. Number 4. There we go. Did we get one? There's a couple here biting on it. Oh yeah, we got one. We got one. Look, there's a couple there chasing it. Finally got one. There we go. A little bit bigger than the ones we've caught so far. Beautiful little smallie. Out here using the same, still using the same lure. So, sweet. See you, buddy. Thank you for biting. Like I said, we're using a little Strike King Ned bug. I like the size of it and how well it sits on the hook. So, there we go. I'm gonna sit right here and try to cast for another one over there. I felt like there was a couple over there biting, but they may have all ran off after that one got hooked. But maybe they didn't. There we go. Saw a couple of them swimming the other direction. Didn't expect this one to come. But there we go. We had one slurp it up. There we go. Alright. There we go. About the same size as that last one. But still, beautiful little smallmouth. Alrighty. Thank you for biting. Only in about a shin deep worth of water, maybe 1.5 feet, maybe 2 foot, but probably about 1.5 feet deep of water. So they're not super deep. Oh yes. There we go. Oh, there's another good one over there too. Another good one over there too. Biggest one of the day, maybe if we can get it in. Biggest one of the day. Get it in. Get it in. A little bit deeper water here. Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. Nice solid. Nice solid smallie there. Not too bad. Awesome. Yep. Yeah, he was double hooked. Nowhere going anywhere with that one. Look at that beautiful fish. Got him in. Sweet. He's probably gonna go right over there and tell his friend. But we're gonna try to drop and cast and see if we can't get that second one. See you, buddy. Look over there. Oh yeah, he did. Here he comes. Got him. Oh, he got off. But he bit. He did the thing. He did the thing I was expecting him to do. Whew, that's some dopamine I needed, bro. All right. Wonder if I can get him again. I doubt it. I doubt it. He got stung a little on that one. Oh, the tree. No. Okay, got out. Oh no! I ripped that out. That's all I'm coming for it. Oh man! I compromised my loop whenever I was out there. All right. Well, got too excited. I have to retie up, y'all. Be right back in a little bit. All right, we're tied back up. Pull back over in the general area. Something bit. The same thing. Holy moly. Again. Third I'll try. I either got one fish out there with two lures in its face, or I've got one fish or two, you know what I mean. Either got one fish with two lures in its face, or two fish with a lure each in their face. We just got to see the railroad track, and you can see the train. Alright, I think we're going to start turning around and working our way back to where we came in at. It's pretty cool to see the train coming through though. But we're going to turn around, head on back, see what we can find on the way back. Waiting on changing my lure, but this seems to be doing a good job, so we'll keep at it. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired of that happening. I even pinched it to try to keep it from doing it. Alright, we're trying the newer jig heads. Alright, got the other jig head on. Still don't think I like them, but can't have my line doing that. There we go. There we go. We finally got a hook set. Little bitty guy. Smallie again. Oh yeah. There we go. Cool. There we go. Another little smallmouth finally on the way back. All right. Bloop. Thanks for biting. Well, highs and lows of fishing in the creek for sure. There we go. There we go. Goodness. Another nice one there. Could get him in. So change the jig head over to the other jig head. It still didn't do what it needed to. I said this this rod should not hop line because it's just like a medium light. It's one of the ACC crappie sticks. It said it's a medium fast, but it's like a medium light. A lot of times it's got a lot more bend in it. But there we go, another fishy. Fussing about my, I'm beginning to believe it's the fishing line because I re-spooled this up with them, with a different brand. And yeah, just might be a little bit thinner than the other one. Allow it to slide through that little opening in the eye hole. Swimming at me, so I didn't want to do that and lose the fish. There we go. Nice. Just watch them kind of go behind me there. Got ourselves another one. I think this was the same one I was watching. I think it was the one that was before it. But there we go. Nice little smallie. There we go as we slowly start to wrap up our trip. Got this little hole, smallmouth hole, and then we'll double check the bridge. There we go. Another one down. All right, let's go on to the bridge and get out point. See if we can't get maybe another one on the way over there, at least one in that hole. Smallie holes let me down today. But it's been a good day and a bad day. It's been a little bit of both. So it comes out right in the wash. We caught fish, so whatever we catch on the way, rest of the way out will be great. Well, we didn't get anything on the way back. So we got our last little shot here at the bridge pool, and then we'll be heading on our way. I'll just go ahead and go all the way up, and I'm not going to go up and over the bridge like I normally do. Just going to wade the left side and try to see if there's anything on that little secondary pool spot. Right there's another little ridge on the other side. So we'll see. Oh, nice. This one came out of the rocks and smacked it. There we go. Oh, he's gone. But still, awesome little catch there. Almost catch anyways. Just flew out from underneath one of these little rocks right here and was like, give me some of that. Another little something here trying to hold spot. See if I can convince him to eat. Alright, realists, that's going to end it up for today. We're going to get out of here. Get on with our day. Thank you guys for coming along. Hopefully you guys had a great adventure with me today. We did catch some. We had some hiccups that came along the way, but in the end, we still caught some fish. Had a good day. So hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.